Integrating Apple Pay JS in a website allows users to make secure and convenient payments using their Apple devices. To get started, you need to have an Apple developer account and a merchant ID. First, you need to set up your Apple Pay environment by including the Apple Pay JS library in your website. This library provides the necessary functions to integrate Apple Pay into your checkout flow. You can include it by adding a script tag to your HTML file that points to the Apple Pay JS library. Next, you need to create an Apple Pay session by calling the Apple Pay session function and passing in your merchant ID and other required parameters. This function returns an Apple Pay session object that you can use to manage the Apple Pay payment process. After creating the Apple Pay session, you need to define the payment request by specifying the total amount, currency, and other details. You can also specify any additional information such as shipping contact and shipping method. Once you have defined the payment request, you can present the Apple Pay payment sheet to the user by calling the begin function on the Apple Pay session object. This will display the Apple Pay payment sheet where the user can select their payment method and shipping address. To handle the payment response, you need to listen for the payment authorized event on the Apple Pay session object. This event is triggered when the user authorizes the payment and provides the payment token that you can use to process the payment. Finally, you need to validate the payment token with your server to ensure that it is valid and not tampered with. You can do this by sending the payment token to your server and verifying it with the Apple Pay Validation API. Best practices for integrating Apple Pay JS include handling errors and exceptions properly, providing a clear and concise payment request, and ensuring that the Apple Pay payment sheet is presented in a secure and trusted environment. By following these steps and best practices, you can provide a seamless and secure payment experience for your users using Apple Pay JS.